Hey, this is Donnie in Rogue River, Oregon. Up for sale is my 1988 Ford Centurion 4-door Bronco, C-350, whatever you want to call it. I call it cool. Anyways, she was a runner, she was a driver. Ready for your consideration. It's got 36-inch super swampers on it with quite a bit of tread left. I don't know, 50%, 70%, somewhere in there. They're 36 inches tall. It's a fairly, as far as the body and the interior goes, it's fairly original, I believe. The primered front end has to do with just over time as surface rust had come up. The owner, previous owner, just took it upon himself to take care of it so it wouldn't become an issue down the road. But he never painted it to match. He just made sure the body didn't get rusted out. It's got a 460 in it. This is the 1-ton, heavy duty. The engine and transmission has been rebuilt in the last couple of years. Runs really nice. There's a couple of dings on this truck. This is the worst of it here on this side. It's a little rust hole. And there's nothing on the underneath on the inside. This is all that it is. And that little ding there. That's it on the side. Now on the top, there is some areas where, I don't know if this had to do with the fabrication of the rig or what, but there's, I believe those are the areas where the fabricator began to mend them together. And it seems like some of those, I don't know if Bondo's original, I can't imagine it would be, but at any rate, those areas there need fixed. They don't go through. Just had some Bondo type material in there, which I peeled off to keep it dry, but that just needs attended to. Like I said, it doesn't go through, it's just the surface. Interior is pretty original. Not in primo shape, but not too distressed. Tear there. It's got AC. But there's a hose that's been disconnected, I believe, but it's all there. And we're in Oregon. Didn't need it, so he disconnected it. Didn't worry about it. A little upholstery done on the side panels and floor in the back. All doable. Bumper's got a little ding there. Centurion. Windows go up and down. Windshield's got a crack in it. Heater works, fan works. Radio comes on, but I can't get the station to come through, so I don't know what the deal is there. Upholster's got a ding there. I believe it's got seat belts for 8. Rear window goes up and down. Wipers work, lights work, blinkers work. Let's see. I'll roll down the window to show you the backs. Now the gearing needs a little tweak here because it won't start unless that's in a certain position. Alright, so sometimes you have to mess with this shifter to just wiggle it there to get it to start. So obviously that needs a little work in there, short or something. Roll down the window. The cargo area. This is a seal to this panel here. That's the rear air, not connected, but it's there. Show you the engine while it's running. Very good running. Nice and smooth. It's got two 850 cold cranking amp batteries. Nice tires to take you off-road, wherever you want to go. Alright, let's take it on the road. Yeah.